Hi guys, today I'll be sharing my a little bit of review and as well as a bit of tutorial on how to do the settings for this particular wave maker. I think this setting goes for all of the Jebao wave makers, whether they are cross flow pump or simple wave makers. So I've been using this device for about 6 or 7 months, and although it's good, but its UI or its app is not very good, and there are no tutorials or no help available online. So I thought that I should make a video on it. So first of all, I usually use the program mode. The manual mode is just for if you want to set something manually. For example, if I go to manual mode, I can only set one setting. If I keep pressing on it, then it will take me to the settings, and from here you can see that there are multiple modes: sine, random, constant, feeding. In feeding, it usually stops the wave maker for this particular time, 2 minutes, and we can change it as per our liking. Its maximum is 60 minutes, and its pause switch. Anyhow, the thing is that I don't use this because I am using the program mode, and as you can see, it will turn off at 12 a.m. So the reason that I am making this video or small screen recording tutorial is that because when I went to program, it was problematic for me, and I could not really find that how to add multiple programs if I want to. For example, if I go back, you can see that this small yellow portion. So this is my feeding time, and I could not set it. I manually had to turn it on and off, which was a bit problematic, and it was killing the whole purpose of using the program. So it is not very evident or clear from the app that we have to tap this gray area twice to enter enter any program, and then we can use this arrow button to go forward. For example, right now I have not programmed classic mode, but if I go to feed mode, I have set it for 10 minutes. From 13 to 13:10 it will pause the pump, and this orange mode is turned on from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., that is 23:59. And other than that, I like to keep it off from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. and that is what I am doing right now. As you can see, this gray area means that this is the time at which this wave maker won't be running. It will be turned off. So this is the small tutorial that I wanted to share because it took me a lot of time to get to this thing. Maybe most of you already know about this, but I thought that many of people would be going through the same dilemma that I was going through when I was using this app. So again, one thing more, a bonus point, that the latest application has some kind of glitch. Maybe it's just for me, but I'm using the Huawei P30 Pro mobile, and if I set the program mode and I go to manual once on the latest version, just to let you know that this is one version back that I downloaded from APK Pure, because the latest version on Play Store is not working properly, at least for me. When I go to manual and I go to program, it's automatically changing it to manual after whenever I exit the application, and I enter the application again, it's going from program to manual by itself. So it's actually not going to program mode. So I had to downgrade to one version back, and it's working fine now. I've reported this to Jebao official store on AliExpress, but he says that this is some data issue and I'll have to reset my wave maker, which I plan not to. So for now, I'm okay with this old version as it's working fine for me. So if you want to ask anything, you can ask in comments, and if you want to add anything, you're welcome to do so, because I think it will be beneficial for me as well. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.